Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync, your favorite space for real talk about love, feelings, and everything in between. Today, we're flipping the narrative. We always hear about red flags, about what to avoid, but what about the good stuff? The signs that she's actually worth holding on to? The little things girls do that show they're emotionally mature, kind, and genuinely good for your soul. So let's talk about the green flags in girls. The signs she's not just a crush, but maybe the one. 1. She communicates with kindness. A green flag girl doesn't just speak, she speaks with care. Whether it's a disagreement or just a normal chat, she tries her best to express her feelings without being harsh or dismissive. She listens, responds, and tries to understand your side without turning it into a fight. She's not about mind games, she's about clarity and connection. This kind of communication builds emotional safety. You won't be walking on eggshells with her. You'll feel free to be yourself, even when you're vulnerable. When a girl knows how to talk without tearing you down, that's not just maturity. That's someone who wants to grow with you, not against you. 2. She's supportive, not controlling. She wants to see you win, and not just when it benefits her. A girl who celebrates your dreams, even if they take time, effort, or space, is someone who truly values you as a person. She'll cheer for you quietly and loudly, and she'll never try to dim your light to make hers shine brighter. At the same time, she won't try to control your every move. She respects your individuality and trusts you enough to let you breathe. Being supportive doesn't mean being all up in your space. It means standing beside you, not behind you or in front of you. That's real love. 3. She takes accountability for her actions. We all mess up, even the best of us. But when she says, "I'm sorry," and actually means it, instead of shifting blame or shutting down, that's a green flag. It shows emotional maturity and self-awareness. She's not afraid to own her behavior and fix it, instead of hiding behind pride. Accountability is rare and valuable. When a girl can reflect on her actions, learn from them, and show up better next time, it means she's not just looking for love, she's ready to build it with you. That's a big sign she's in it for something real, not just for the highs. 4. She has a life outside the relationship. One of the most attractive green flags? She's not dependent on you for her entire happiness. She has friends, hobbies, goals, and a routine that doesn't revolve solely around you. And that's not a bad thing. It actually makes the relationship healthier and stronger. When a girl is whole on her own, it means the connection between you two is based on wanting each other, not needing each other to feel complete. She won't drain you emotionally or demand constant attention. Instead, she'll bring balance, energy, and her own glow to the relationship. 5. She's consistent, not just when it's easy. She doesn't only treat you well when things are fun and exciting. She stays kind, present, and respectful even when life gets stressful or the honeymoon phase fades. Her love doesn't vanish the moment things get a little hard. And that stability is priceless. Consistency is what separates a fling from a future. A girl who shows up with the same care and energy, even on the days when life isn't perfect, is someone who sees love as a journey, not just a moment. That kind of steady affection, it builds real trust over time. 6. She makes you feel safe to be yourself. Around her, you don't have to pretend. You can talk about your childhood, your fears, your dreams, and she'll listen without judging or mocking you. That emotional safety is one of the biggest green flags ever. It means she's not here to fix or change you. She's here to know you. Emotional safety also creates a space where you both can grow. When a girl encourages you to be your raw, unfiltered self and still stays, she's not in love with the idea of you. She loves you. And in a world that often demands masks, that kind of authenticity is rare and beautiful. She's soft, but not a pushover. She's sweet, caring, and emotionally open, but don't mistake that for weakness. A green flag girl knows her worth. She gives love freely, but she also has boundaries. She won't tolerate disrespect, and she won't beg for attention. She knows that love should be a two-way street. This balance between softness and strength is powerful. She'll comfort you when you're down, but she won't let you treat her carelessly. That inner confidence mixed with kindness makes her irresistible because it shows she loves herself and others the right way. So if you've met a girl who does even a few of these things, don't take her for granted. She's rare, she's golden, and she's a walking green flag. These are the women who bring peace into your life, not chaos. And when you find one, remember, the good ones don't always shout. They show up quietly, consistently, and beautifully. If you've seen any of these green flags in yourself or someone you're dating, drop a in the comments and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share SoulSync with someone who needs to hear this today. Until next time, stay soft, stay strong, and never settle for less than someone who brings peace into your life.